Everyone, welcome back to this channel, Magnific Creator. In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a NAMI chair. And first of all, you have to make a vertical rectangle. You can use line to make. I'm sorry, you can use any rectangle right here. Then you can push it up right here and just make it group. And after that, you have to make a some guiding line with a tape measure tool, and you can position on it and you can um, duplicate it. It's around, maybe it's around 700 millimeter, right? Then you have to make a line between the both of the guiding line, and you can move and press control it to duplicate it in above the object, in below the object anyway. You can see it, you can see the movement, and you can make a diagonal line right here. You can make a diagonal line, or you can make this more closer than before. Then you can use it, anyway. Okay, and you can delete some unnecessary line right here. Then you have to make a smooth connection between this corner of the line of the connection of the connecting line right here. You would you can use a two-point arc anyway, and then you can follow this step to make a smoother corner than before right here. Okay, and you can use it for the same case. And after that, you can see the smoothness of the corner. Then you have to offset it inside with a offset tool, and you can offset it. It's around, maybe you can use 20 millimeter. You can use a 20 millimeter for the offset to the inside of the line, and you can complete this drawing. You can complete this line until it be plain, right, like this. Okay, after that you could push it to the front. It's around 40 maybe, or 50. Maybe you can type 450 millimeter, right, and just make it group, and you could make additional rectangle. You can use rectangle right here and just draw it, and just follow my step right here. Then you can move it back with move, and you can use move on a green axis to make a perfect movement, right? Then you can use the push it to push it back anyway. Then you can push it, it's around 150 millimeter, and just make it group anyway. Then after that, you have to make a support and a frame of this chair anyway. Then uh, as you look at it, and you have to make it more longer than before, something like this. You can make it around 100 millimeter, right? Then you can adjust it to the same length with the front board anyway. You can extend this plane, it's around 100 millimeter, and just extend this board also. Then you can make a chair frame and support on it. You can see the part of the video, right? Then you can make the size of the frame is around 40 and 40 millimeter, right? Then you can push it down. You can push it down. It's around, maybe it's 500 millimeter, right? 500 millimeter, and just make it component to duplicate this type to another appropriate position, and you can see the movement. And please use a shift when you um, move this object anyway. Then you can see the support are complete. And don't forget to make additional support right here, then it make a stiffness of this chair on or this object anyway. Then and also you have to make it group and make it component to duplicate it, and just move it and press control to duplicate it also. And then you have to make some bracing frame right here on between a left and right support frame like this. Then you have to make it group anyway. Then after that you have to make it all of component to be one group and just delete some unnecessary guiding line, right? Then you have to move it on origin to make you easy to make adjustment for the further editing. Then you can use a synthetic surface like this. You can use a formica laminated light and just sign on it, then it's clear. Then anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you get a lot of advantage and benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.